our medicinal topic is about ulcer. What is ulcer? Then secondly, I will describe the method or process for the treatment of such kind of illness, especially when it is physically dispersed from the human body. This treatment, it can also be used by herbal medicine or herbal treatment. But as we mentioned earlier, I can briefly define what is ulcer, what are the main causes of such illness, and secondly, what are the mode of caution or prevention from such kind of illness. Then, however, ulcer were classified into the different types. There is a peptic ulcer, there is a gas or stomach ulcer, and there is a duodenal ulcer. Ulcer is actually occur when the stomach acid damage the lining of the digestive tract. The common causes are including bacteria, inflammatory, and upper abdominal pain. Therefore, the common causes of ulcer is infection of the abdominal by bacteria, which is called Helicobacter. Most people with peptic ulcer have this bacteria living in their digestive tract, and many people who have such kind of bacteria in their stomach do not develop what is called ulcer. And how do you know or how do you understand that you have ulcer? So there are some signs or certain signs and symptoms which it is physically dispersed, such as feeling full too much in your stomach while eating meal, pain or discomfort in the upper part of your abdomen, nausea, vomiting, and dizziness. And therefore, as we mentioned earlier, I will briefly define peptic ulcer, stomach or gastric ulcer. So the peptic ulcer affects the stomach and the part of the small intestine, which is called duodenum. The stomach ulcer, known as a gastric ulcer, cause some signs and symptoms, and treatment are all the same. And therefore, this ulcer is actually affect many people all over the world. In addition, the stomach ulcer, it has some another certain causes, especially when there is a too much stress and taking food poisonings. This is another main causes of such illness, which is called the stomach ulcer. And the stomach ulcer can affect anyone, but are more common in people aged from age 60 to above. Then therefore, there are some certain complications when this disease or ulcer were penetrated into your body or into the internal body. And this complication, which are as follow, which are relatively uncommon, but they can be very serious and potentially life-threatening. And another complication, bleeding at the site of the ulcer, especially stomach or part of the abdomen. And then secondly, it will not allow the foot movement in the body. And we will advise especially those who having such kind of ills, so that they can avoid eat hot food, and also they can use pillow especially during bedtime, and avoid eating food especially during bedtime. Then they should avoid too much taking of alcohol. Then, as we promised earlier, that we can describe what are the treatments to be used, very significant to treat such kind of illness. In a simple arithmetic, these treatments are as follows. Once you can get what you call moringa powder. Then after moringa powder, you can get what we call honey. Then mix it together and dilute it. After dilute it, you can take 1 teaspoon of these medicines early in the morning before breakfast. Then another, you can take it at least in the evening or night before during the beds. Then this medicine will be take up to 3 weeks. By God's grace, you can see the impact and positive outcomes of these medicines. For those follow our channel, you can subscribe, like, comment, share for the benefit of all people all over the world.